For the Russian Navy, which has always been proud of its own subs, this submarine is a total game changer. It can hide in the deep ocean or sneak around in shallow waters near the coast, making it a super versatile predator. This is the Virginia-class submarines, one of the greatest subs the US ever built. Unlike the older subs it's replacing, this one was built for the modern world, focusing on being sneaky and doing a bit of everything rather than just going fast. One of the biggest reasons Russia is so worried about these subs is how quiet they are. The Virginia class uses some amazing tech to stay silent, like special coatings and a pump jet instead of a regular propeller. This means it doesn't make those telltale bubbles that sonar picks up. It's basically a ghost in the water. In places like the North Atlantic or the Arctic, a Virginia-class sub can follow Russian ships without them ever knowing it's there. That's a scary thought when you're trying to keep your own secrets safe. But it's not just about hiding. These subs pack a massive punch too. The newest versions have a payload module that lets them carry way more Tomahawk missiles than before, up to 40 in one go. That's a lot of firepower for just one boat. It means a single submarine can hit targets deep on land from hundreds of miles away with perfect accuracy. Since they're so quiet, they can launch these missiles without much warning at all, which is a constant headache for anyone trying to defend against them. The tech on board is also way ahead of the curve. Instead of old-school controls, these subs use a fly-by-wire computer system and some of the best sonar in the world. They even ditched the classic periscope for photonics masts that use high-res cameras. This lets the crew see everything above the waves without having to stick a big tube out of the water. It's all about staying hidden while gathering as much info as possible. At the end of the day, the Virginia class is as much about mind games as it is about weapons. It can drop off Navy SEALs and launch underwater drones, making it a threat that's really hard to plan for. Every time one of these subs leaves the dock, the Russian military has to spend a ton of time and money just trying to find it, usually without much luck. This huge gap in technology is definitely one of the biggest challenges Russia faces at sea today.